My name is Nick Calpine. I'm a maintenance assistant for the town of Los Gatos. Some of the maintenance areas we cover is street resurfacing, sidewalk replacement and trip hazards, street name signs. We also provide street sweeping services for the community, as well as the trash and recycling receptacles, whether they be downtown or if we help out the parks department and installing them in parks. Our streets department also provides traffic control services for our engineering department, for our tree contractors, whether it be roadside clearing. We also provide traffic control for events such as our Christmas parade. A couple other services we provide are the installation of the Adopt a Bench program for the downtown benches. Also, as part of our streets department, we install medallions on the storm drains for rain down the drain for pollution prevention. Another service that we provide is the pedestrian crosswalks for downtown. Our streets department also assists in rotating out the banners throughout town for our banner program.
Hey there, my name is Victor Alvarez. I work for the town of Los Gatos as a street maintenance worker. We're out here at downtown addressing a trip hazard in the sidewalk. What we're gonna do today is grind this down so at a flush level so there is no trip hazard. We're just making a temporary fix right now. We're gonna defer this to our engineering department so when they're doing concrete sidewalk work, can come and do a permanent fix.
So today we're here in the sign shop and we're going to make street name signs for San Mateo and San Benito Avenues. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our metal sign blank and we're going to cover it with white for the background. Once we have our white blank, we will go over to the computer and have it printed to the plotter. Once it's printed to the plotter, then we'll peel out the sign and get it ready to be attached to the white blank that we made. And this is how we make street name signs. This is our final product.
In general, the street maintenance department is responsible for the maintenance of roadways and sidewalks to keep the community safe.
Hi, my name is Nick. I take care of the fleet side for the town of Los Gatos. Currently, I think we have about 130 pieces of equipment, and that ranges from light duty vehicles for the Parks and Public Works Department to police vehicles, and as well as tractors and small equipment for maintaining the parks and streets. Currently in the fleet, we have been trying to have a big push for energy efficient vehicles and alternative fuel vehicles. So we have currently 2 all electric vehicles in the fleet, as well as probably about 10 hybrids. 4 of them are currently at the police department, as well as a mixture of public works and parks vehicles as well. We roughly service on average about 6 vehicles a day, depending on the severity of what is needed. We try to keep about 95% of the work in-house, depending on workload. We have a parts room upstairs where we keep a lot of our commonly used parts that are stocked up. And we also do fuel island maintenance here as well. So we have on-site fuel, and we take care of that as well so that all the fleet vehicles can get fuel. As far as vehicle safety is concerned, we've strived in the past 5 to 7 years to equip the vehicles with a better lighting package so that it's more visible on the road. And so that in turn has helped keep our workers safe on the road. So that's something that I've taken a big stride in getting us to that point, as well as equipping all the vehicles with fire extinguishers as well as first aid kits, just in case there's any issues that happen out in the field. They can manage them until they can reach the proper help. Currently, for all of our oils that are used in the vehicles, we're using a 100% recycled product. It's waste oil that's been re-refined and additives added back in, and that's what we're currently using in all of our vehicles. So currently this vehicle's in here for preventive maintenance service as well as a repair. So one of the tools that we use to speed up our jobs and also make it less strenuous on our bodies is we use these lifts to raise up the vehicle. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to raise up the vehicle so we can inspect the undercarriage as well as the braking system. So as you can see, now we have full access to the underside of the vehicle while standing 100% without crouching. So it just makes the job easier and we're more efficient with the lift. A big part of what I do is keeping all these vehicles safe and operational for all the employees for the town. And so we strive to keep things in tip-top shape as well as safety oriented and keeping everyone happy. So that's what we do here in the vehicle maintenance department, keeping everybody safe and operational.